Put your finger down if you're also loving the 2020 winter collection, but you have nowhere to go.
It's not a game that you are losing, but I'm with someone else and I'm not missing us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kriti here. Welcome to a video that is literally the highly requested video all season. So here I am with one more. The last haul I did was in summer, so I thought it is time that we do another one. So these are some pieces that I love from Zara, H&M and Only. So you'll find these three brands on the top list for this season for me because I love their collection right now. And if you know my style and if you vibe with it, then I am telling you, you will fall in love with all these pieces. I can guarantee you that. I love the palette that I've chosen for this season. You will find a bit of beige, a bit of mint green, which is so much in this season, guys. Without further ado, let's just get into it, okay? Because I am dying. I really want to show you guys. Come on. So the first brand, I want you to just guess. I give you 2 seconds. That's right, it's Zara. I mean, not even a question. So I think I'm going to show you the one that I'm wearing right now because of course I have got new pieces. Why will I not wear for my haul? So the first one is this beautiful sweater and this spaghetti top. So I tried both of them together and I just love like the pairing of it because I really feel the combination of like black and grey looks amazing. And I love the tank top with it because I really feel like with anything which is, you know, grand on the sleeves, which is very loose on the sleeves, I think should be paired with something which is fitted. So yeah, this is my first buy from Zara. The second one, I got these two pair. Yes, you guys have already seen in my A Productive Day in My Life vlog. So I almost in the entire video I wore this set. It looks amazing. One of you even asked me for the link for this one, so all the links will be down below if you want to check it out. But I love this. It's written like Manhattan, New York City. I absolutely love these two together because as you guys know, like monochromatic looks are so in these days. I'm telling you, if you want to wear like a look which is trendy, just go with a monochromatic look. Whatever the pieces may be, it will look fab. And just pair it with like good jewelry and you'll be good to go for the season. It also has this elastic sort of a thing at the bottom which really gives that, you know, those lowers very street look, and you can really pair this with any of other like stylish crop tops, like maybe this one that I'm wearing right now. And yeah, you can head to friends get together or like a lunch or something, and it really looks good. So the last thing from Zara that I got for this season is this neck piece. I am loving jewelry these days. I love pairing some, you know, trendy pieces with like the looks that I go for. So this one came with another piece. So this was the piece that came with it. I don't like wearing it as a pair. Maybe someday you will see me wearing it as a pair, but right now I love like just pairing this one. It gives a very elegant, very classy look. But of course this one is also a very classy chain, but it is a bit lengthy to this length. So maybe I will pair this with some of like the sweatshirts that I wear, and it would really look good. Maybe with high necks also. Like with high necks, a length of like this length will really suit well with high necks. So yeah. Now we move to H&M. So from H&M, I love their hoodies, like loose, comfy hoodies. And as you guys know, 2020 is supposed to be at home. So I really felt like, you know, investing in a good hoodie for winters. I loved this one. It's a mint green sort of a thing. I told you, right? Mint greens are really in. It says LA. I don't know. Don't ask me, okay? Why I have so much fascination with like country and state names and stuff like that. Like that one had New York City and Manhattan on it, and this one has LA and California. So anyway, so this is honestly not even my size. Like I picked up large. Or maybe XL. No, large. XL would be too much. Like I wish I had a brother because my friends do, and I am so jealous of them because they get to like wear their hoodies and their loose comfy tees and stuff like that. But it's okay. I will invest in my own clothes which are large size. You can see how big it is. I love like lounging in this one. So the next brand is Only. So for those of you who've been following me on Instagram would know that I just collaborated with them on Instagram, and these are all handpicked and styled by me from their entire collection. And truth be told, that collection right now is stunning. They have some amazing pieces, and this is not a sponsored video. So first I'm gonna touch with jackets because if you know me, baby, you will know I am in love with jackets. I think street style is all about, you know, just layering jackets and stuff like that. Plus winter is all about layering with jackets and all of that. Jackets are more like rough and tough. You can just wear it and just head out. The first one is my favorite. So I love that the length of it is not too long, so it acts like a cropped kind of a jacket. So I love the material of it, and of course the color, and even the zip and the detail of the jacket is super classy. Like a very minimalistic but yet like extremely beautiful. It has pockets of course, so your phones and everything will be safe, and it's super warm. Just perfect for somebody who is like me, who feels super cold. What I would suggest is pair it with something which is tight fitted inside, because this is a very puffy jacket. I will show you what I paired it with. So I went with this crop top sort of a thing. I love that it has "Get Rad" written. It's very sassy, very classy. So how I wore it is that I tucked it inside my bra, and it gave me that cropped like definition. It is something that looks really good with these pants. Like these are so good fitting pants. Like I absolutely love the detail on it. It has a pocket detailing at the back too. So I paired these three together, and can you look at the color palette? This is a color palette that will look good, so there is no question on that. So yeah, I paired all these three together. So the next one that I'm going to talk about is this gorgeous jacket. They also had like a maroonish sort of a jacket in the same style. So if you're somebody who wants to go with maroon, you can go ahead with maroon. But the thing is that I really wanted to style it with this kiwi kind of a sweater top. So it is very good for layering purposes. So that's why I chose this color with this. But of course you can also go ahead with the maroon one, which was of a similar color to this one. I mean, this color looks good, guys. On Indian skin tone, this color looks super amazing. I love that this has this kind of a detail where you can just tighten up your waist with this elastic. So it gives you like that tight look on the waist. So for this I paired it again with a beige pant, the same sort of pants with like a proper buttoned down waist. I love that they have given this folded up kind of a stitch at the bottom. Like it fitted me perfectly on my waist. And again guys, like this combination has to work. Like how can it not? Okay guys, so this is the next jacket that I'm going to talk about. I wish technology was so advanced that you could feel this fabric. It's very funny, very those kind of jackets that is gonna make you like feel super warm and like super cozy. I absolutely love this one. You can pair it with any sort of colors inside. You can pair it with something which is almond color or like any sort of whites and ivory shades. It will look amazing, and also with grays. Like can you see the combination of like gray and pink? It's giving me such a good vibe. So yes, this is something which will look super good. So I love this piece. So I paired it with this pullover with a little high neck. I love these small sort of colors that are popping on this grey sweater. Now I paired these two with this skirt. Now again, like a white denim skirt cannot go wrong. Like it is one of the most classiest pieces you can own in your wardrobe. You can definitely wear like a stocking below it. I love the button detailing also. It has a very bronze sort of a border on the buttons, which is giving again a very vintage sort of a look. So this is how I paired these three together. Now we move to the fourth look. This is for all you bright color lovers. It's like one of those happy colors that you will wear and you will instantly feel like good about it. Now this piece is something I don't think you need to think of any other piece to style it with, because this itself is such a showstopper piece that whatever you wear below, this is the piece that will take the attention away. Okay, so I definitely let the pieces that I chose for inside be very neutral, but I still wore this really delicate sweater with like pearl button details on the shoulder. So what I wore below was this white pant. Again, a basic, can never go wrong. It is very skin hugging. It does have pockets at the back. So yeah, now for the fifth one, I want to show you a monochromatic look that I chose. It's an olive green colored pant, and it looked so good with this sweater, and it has that fabric that that loose sort of fabric that you can just wear it off shoulder and let it slouch, that kind of a look. The best way to actually wear them is by tucking it inside whatever you're wearing, like a jeans or maybe pants. And like I chose a pant, or even for that matter like skirts or just leggings also, like yoga pants. You can just wear your yoga pants and wear this and head out. It's a very trendy look, and for more detailing and for giving it more chicness, I added this bag. I wore it like a fanny bag, of course, but also you can increase the length of this and wear it like a normal one. Yeah, this looked amazing with these two, like the gold and the olive green and black. Amazing combination. The last look that I created was with a leather jacket. I mean, come on, like talking about winter fashion and not including leather jacket in it is like a stupid idea. I think when you're buying a good leather jacket, like the things that you should really consider are the details. It has a zip on here, so maybe you can even open it up and roll it up and give you that biker sort of a look. Thank God that they had this belt sort of a thing going on at the bottom, which definitely adds a lot of detail and a lot of, that rich look to a leather jacket. It's just in all a classic leather jacket, and I loved it. So how I paired it is with a blue denim jeans. So this is the look that I chose, which is loose at the bottom. So can you see, like, this entire fit is very loose, very baggy, and that is something which looks really good with like leather jacket, because leather jacket is supposed to be very fitted, very put together, it is not loose as such. I love the silver detailing, and can you just see like what is binding all of them together? The silver detail, right? This one has a silver detail, this is all silver shimmer, silver sequenced work, and this has a silver chain. These three definitely looked good together, so no doubt in that. So I missed talking about this gorgeous bag. You can even pair it like this much length, or you can also increase the length and make it like a sling bag, right? So yeah, I think this is great for like styling purposes. Yeah, I love this bag. So these were all the pieces that I got from Only for the collaboration that I had with them for my Instagram. Of course, this video is not sponsored by Only, guys. I just wanted to show it to you because if you're looking for some inspiration for like winter fashion, then maybe you like these pieces, and yeah, this was just to like show you guys what I picked from their collection. Also, when I went to source these pieces, I bought something for myself, which I am so happy about. This is so cute. I love that it has tones of blue going on. Yeah, this is something which will look really good with like denim pant, or maybe even like just leggings. Like I can imagine me wearing my yoga pants, like black yoga pants, and just wearing this on top, and maybe with a beanie also. Oh my god, like I'm super excited to wear this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked watching it, you know what to do. Just give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below which one is your favorite look or favorite outfit. I would really love to know. Like, believe me, I get so excited, and yeah, I just feel like a happy kid reading your comments. So that's the truth. So thank you so much for just taking our time to even comment and give your feedback. It really means a lot to me, and the links will be all in the description box below, so you can check them out. And also do subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and press the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I put the next video. And yeah, you know my next line. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. We're done!
It's not a game that you